Today on Everything Interesting, we're looking at 5 key plants for British butterflies, starting with Buddleia. And that was an easy place to start, as this plant is known as the butterfly bush. It's full of nectar, easy to grow, and enjoyed by the peacock butterfly, the painted lady, the red admiral, and a few others too. Next is the thistle, Scotland's national flower and a feast for a bunch of pollinators. The thistle is part of the Asteraea family, which includes plants like cardoons and cornflowers. The next plant is a bit like Snape from Harry Potter, where you think it's a villain, but actually the stinging nettle is a good guy, at least where butterflies are concerned. So leave a little space for some nettles, and even if you don't see some butterflies, you can always make some fresh nettle tea. Hops are well known for their use in beer making, but they also provide food for caterpillars of the red admiral, peacock, and other butterflies. Last and not at all least is the clover, and especially the red clover. This will grow in your lawn if you don't mow it too low, and by doing so they'll be able to provide nectar for a range of thirsty insects, including our British butterflies. There you have it. Support butterflies. Butterflies need you.